been on the low, I've been taking my time.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create this fake blood at home with a few items that are very affordable. If you're interested, keep on watching. Alright, so what we will need to make this fake blood is some soap. Any color will be fine. You're going to need to play around the color when you are coloring the soap with the dye, but that'll be fine. I have some coffee creamer. This is to thicken the soap because it's kind of transparent when you pour it. You'll see what I'm talking about later. I have some food coloring. I don't think I'm going to need this because this is already blue, but if you're working with clear, you might want to have a blue food coloring. I have blue and red just in case. Something to mix with. I have this disposable fork, and I have a teaspoon. So let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour my soap into my bowl. I wanted to use a clear bowl for you guys to see how much I'm putting. I don't really want that much. I don't want a lot. I just want a good amount. Okay. Damn, that shit was getting a little heavy. Alright. Okay, so I didn't really pour that much, as you can see. All right, but you see how it's so clear, so see-through. We're about to fix that in just a second. This is what the coffee creamer is for. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon. Let me go ahead and shake some out here. Okay, so about a half a teaspoon. I'm gonna go ahead and pour that into my soap. Okay, and then now with my something disposable, I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in. So I'm just making sure I get all the clumps out that I see. I'm getting everything around the sides because I don't want that mixing with what I create later, so I just want to get everything. So right now you see how thick it is now, and it's not see-through like it was before. So this is a good base. So now I'm gonna go in with my red food coloring. I'm gonna start light because you can't take away once you add too much. So I'm gonna I started with 3 drops. I'm gonna go ahead and see where that takes me. Okay. Ooh, magic. Let me stop. Okay, so as you can see, this is definitely not gonna cut it. I need to go back in with more of the red food coloring. Just wanna make sure that's all in there. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna add 5 dots. See how far that gets me. We're getting there, but it's still too light for me. It's not what I'm used to. So I'm gonna go ahead and add more. I'm gonna add about 5 more drops. Okay, this looks a little better. Let me go ahead and show you close. I would still add a little more. Let me go ahead and add 3 more dots. Oh, okay. Let's see what that does. It's looking pretty good, but I want to be sure. I'm gonna go ahead and get like a piece of like white copy paper or something, just so I could test the color on it. I don't want to put on my skin just yet. Okay, so now that I got my sheet of copy paper, I'm gonna go ahead and just take some, just drip it on there, see how it. Ooh, okay. I'm very satisfied with that. It's dark enough. It looks realistic. It's not see-through, and just look at it. It's great. So I could stop there, and our blood is complete. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the skin, just so you can see how it looks like on the skin. Let me just, I don't wanna make a mess. Ooh, okay. That looks nice. That looks really, really nice. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.